Hey guys, Mix Media Girl here.
Is this the picture?
No. I'm here with RK3 Designs, ATD, and Clara, and we're going to have some fun acrylic pouring. We're going to make a mess. It's not a competition, but
it always is. Always is.
So we're going to have some fun. So these are the colors we're using, and you can do any technique using those colors. Any technique. And you're going to fill this cup up probably up to about that top line because these are smaller cups. So good luck. Everything's pre-mixed for you.
You both grab the white part?
Yeah, girl. Erika's like all over it.
I'm going to do the
she
thing.
She already had a plan.
I did.
She's like all over this. This is Payne's Gray. I love that color.
This white is thinner than the white that I mixed for you the other day.
Well, that's because the Floetrol was funky. It wasn't you, sort of.
It kind of was, but it absolutely wasn't. But it totally was.
Like, I'm not going to, like, point.
So why are y'all, okay, so I don't
Everyone's
have to
doing
do
a different
Okay,
jam.
I was like, wait a minute.
I don't know, we're doing our thing.
Yep.
I'm like, they're
doing
filling
our
the
thing.
cups up. Hold on.
Yeah.
It's so funny because I'm so used to the thickness of red one.
Yeah, I do. I just don't know.
So, as predicted, I'm going to do a tree ring.
What?
I know, right?
Big surprise. I really wish you would try, like, something new. I mean, my gosh. No. I love your tree wings. They always...
wings?
My twee wings are the best.
Our twee wings work so well. It does work.
Don't get me giggling too much because then I'm worthless. So.
All of this audio is going in here, by the way.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Okay. No cussing.
What? Why is that a me thing?
Well,
I just want to throw you off your game.
Well, because
I wanted to throw it
Last night. But
Yeah.
everybody in the club was on my level.
Pretty much.
I'm still on your way.
No, it's got silicone.
So are we allowed to have silicone?
You
Like
can,
that?
but it's got silicone in it. And if you didn't want silicone,
how was your? Yeah.
have it.
Hey, I've got another plan.
Yeah, you're good. Carry on.
Get that? Get that?
Listen,
She's off. She's
you
off.
flipped it.
That has silicone?
No, this one does.
Okay.
That one does not.
Okay.
We extra.
Yep.
So that's your silicone?
This is silicone.
Okay, so I want some more of that.
There's decided she
I guess
now
I'm gonna
wants
make
the
some
Let's
silicone.
make some more silicone. Goodness
Bless you.
gracious.
He didn't have to sneeze. He's just
That's
wanting
my attention.
attention. Easy.
And Marcia's like, done!
I know. I don't even
Boom.
have all my paint together.
Crushed it. Finished it like a cheesecake. So yesterday was Clara's first time acrylic pouring. Was
First
it
time.
your first time
Yes.
too? Rhonda's
Wouldn't it
first
be
time?
so sad if I won? Oh yeah, we're not competing.
It
Oh
wasn't.
yeah, we are.
It wasn't Erika's first time, so we're expecting a lot from
This
her.
has silicone?
Yes. Don't expect a lot from me.
Too late. You got this.
Good. I've heard that before.
Oh, look at Clara. What are you doing?
Something
Did you
didn't
see that
show
on
me.
TV somewhere?
I don't know where.
Yes.
There's this weird lady. Mixes up with all kinds of other weird stuff too.
Which one is my silicone one?
All right, I'm gonna bring the camera around.
Just sit right here.
No, both of them are here.
There's barely any in there.
So Rhonda, do you know what you're doing, or are you just making it up?
I don't have a clue.
All right.
That looks awesome.
So here's mine. Vote for Marcy. Here's Clara's.
Okay. So I need this.
Erika is working on a technique.
Can't see Erika's. No. Fucking.
It's secret, you know.
It's funny, mine went pastel-y.
It did. Very nice. Oh, Rhonda's going for the swipe. Oh my gosh, you guys, we all did completely different techniques. This is awesome.
Okay, so tell me how you do that. You're just putting a dot.
Put a puddle.
A puddle.
Like,
Okay.
We got woodworking going on outside.
And then I just blow.
I would put a drop of the silicone in the middle.
Gotcha.
Ah, so we're making some flowers.
Okay. And then I blow.
Mm-hmm.
Put your blow on.
Okay, that.
You're supposed to start in the middle. But
No
that's
one
pretty
told
cool.
me I could start in the middle.
But it looks good though.
It does.
Yeah, no.
That was fun. I so want to say things, but I'm not.
Y'all, it gets me lightheaded. I'm so sorry, but it like. Woo.
You have a butterfly.
Oh, I do. Look, look. It says little. Oh, I did that on purpose.
Yes, you did.
That was on purpose. Definitely on purpose. So now I'm gonna.
Lies and falsehoods.
No, don't. Look, I'm gonna make his little.
Some. It looks more like a bird. That's the squawk.
Well, it does. It could be a bird there, or it could be a little butterfly. So I'm gonna go with a butterfly. So I'm gonna make his little doodads. Come on, doodad.
All right, so here's mine. Got that orange popping through. I like it. Here's Clara's. So she went with sort of a flip cup slash something.
Nice little dry.
But I love how she took some of the darker blue and drug those lines in there. Here's Erika's. She went with the blow method.
Use your face.
Use your face. Yep. Lots of
All right, Betty Rubble.
fun parts in here.
There's moments. I like very many moments.
And then here is Rhonda's butterfly.
Well, yeah.
Butterfly.
So she went with a swipe and then the blow technique. And then added in the little antennas. So, good job, ladies.
Thanks.
So let us know what you guys think. You know, it's not a competition.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Vote ATD.
But I win. Okay, see you guys next time.